Wait. Don't scroll. If you can understand English, but still feel nervous when speaking, this lesson is for you. For the next 10 minutes, you will train your English speaking skills naturally. Just listen. Repeat slowly. And enjoy the process. Let's begin. Today, we are going to practice real English for daily life. I am ready to improve my English. I practice English every single day. Learning English takes patience and practice. I am becoming more confident every day. How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today? I feel tired, but I am okay. I feel tired, but I am okay. I had a very busy day today. I had a very busy day today. I need some rest after work. I need some rest after work. Tomorrow will be a better day. Tomorrow will be a better day. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? I am practicing my English speaking skills. I am practicing my English speaking skills. I want to speak English fluently one day. I want to speak English fluently one day. I enjoy learning new expressions. I enjoy learning new expressions. Practice makes a big difference. Practice makes a big difference. Can you help me for a moment? Can you help me for a moment? Of course, what do you need? Of course, what do you need? Can you repeat that more slowly? Can you repeat that more slowly? I didn't catch the last sentence. I didn't catch the last sentence. Thank you for explaining everything clearly. Thank you for explaining everything clearly. I would like to order some food. I would like to order some food. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend today? What do you recommend today? I would like chicken and rice. I would like chicken and rice. Can I also get a bottle of water? Can I also get a bottle of water? Everything smells delicious here. Everything smells delicious here. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from Egypt. I am from Egypt. Do you live in this city? Do you live in this city? Yes, I have lived here for many years. Yes, I have lived here for many years. What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? I usually spend time with my family. I usually spend time with my family. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I drink coffee before starting my day. I drink coffee before starting my day. I try to stay positive and focused. I try to stay positive and focused. Small habits create big success. Small habits create big success. I believe that I can improve. I believe that I can improve. My English is getting better every day. My English is getting better every day. I can understand more conversations now. I can understand more conversations now. I feel more comfortable speaking English. I feel more comfortable speaking English. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I will continue practicing every day. I will continue practicing every day. Amazing work. You just finished another English speaking practice lesson. Remember, fluent English comes from daily practice. Listen carefully. Repeat confidently. And never be afraid to make mistakes. Keep going. Your English is improving every single day. See you in the next lesson.